Here's an interesting derivation I hadn't seen before. I'm going to simultaneously derive the formulas for kinetic energy, potential energy, and show how they are equal to each other. Kinetic energy is 1/2 mv squared, mass times velocity squared. Potential energy is mass times acceleration from gravity times the height above the surface. I'll start out here with mass times acceleration equals force. Force times distance equals work done, which also equals energy, typically measured in joules. And force is the same thing as mass times acceleration, right there, and then bring down your distance, so you end up with mass times acceleration times distance equals your energy. Now we jump to a kinematic equation. V final squared equals V initial squared plus 2 times acceleration times distance. If you want, you can see my previous video where I showed how to derive all of the kinematic equations. Let's just start with initial velocity equaling 0. So now we have final velocity squared equals 2 times acceleration times distance. Now we can divide both sides by 2 to get acceleration and distance by themselves. We end up with 1/2 v squared equals acceleration times distance. That acceleration times distance is the same as up here, mass times acceleration times distance, so we can multiply both sides by mass. And next page. Now we have 1/2 mv squared, which is the formula for kinetic energy. This will equal mass times acceleration times distance. Now we can turn acceleration into g, which is just acceleration from gravity. Turn distance into height above the surface. It might make it easier to imagine this distance-height relationship as something just in free fall, where the distance it falls is the same as height. So now we have 1/2 mv squared equals mgh, or kinetic energy equals potential energy.